What's happening, you guys, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm joined by Austin, and all throughout the month of January, we are highlighting Health Month, and what better way to get healthy than de-stressing? I know so many times we come back from work or come back from school with stressful things on our minds, so we want to unstress you guys. And what do we have in front of us?
Well, we got a couple strategies here to help you de-stress. We have here a DIY stress ball, and we also have a little wave bottle here. Now, the stress you were talking about, it activates your sympathetic nervous system, which pretty much is that whole heart racing, sweating, feeling confused. And these help you draw back and activate your parasympathetic nervous system. So studies have shown activating your senses and your focus can help, reduce those stressful symptoms.
Okay.
So over here, we have a stress ball. This is 4 parts baking soda, 1 part hair conditioner, surprisingly enough. And it makes a cool mixture that you can kind of squeeze and, activate that tactile experience. Over here, we have a wave bottle. This is actually in a child seal bottle, so that's a good tip. But it is 2/3 oil, 1/3 water. And what this provides is a cool visual experience that adults and young people can enjoy. And what is cool about it is you can put stuff in there, as I've done, and you can ask people to focus on, hey, the teddy bear, focus on the leaf. And if you give it a good shake, it even can be a nice little timer. And you can just visually just watch that and de-stress as you watch the bubbles kind of relax back down. So just a couple quick, easy to make things to help you de-stress at home or the office.
Super cool. These both take like 5 minutes to make tops.
Super simple. Yeah, like I said, you just water and oil and a couple beads and sparkly bits if you got it, and a balloon, baking soda, and hair conditioner. Not that I have too much of that, but then you're all set.
Awesome, and we hope to see you guys all throughout the month of January and maybe help you guys de-stress as we highlight Health Month right here at the Orlando Science Center. Back to you.